Welcome to Medical Insight, a weekly healthcare feature brought to you by the experts at Essentia Health. Here's your host, Kim Kaiser.
From cancer care to cardiovascular disease, there are a wide range of clinical trials available to patients through the Essentia Institute of Rural Health. In today's Medical Insight, Essentia Health oncologist and researcher Dr. Brett Friday explains the benefits of being involved in a clinical trial.
There are a lot of benefits to patients: access to new medications, new approaches, and also ensuring that they're getting all of the standard treatment that they need as well.
Dr. Friday says patients often have questions about safety and cost.
All of our clinical trials that we run here through Essentia go through a review board that's primary focus is to look at a trial and make sure that safety is maintained and that patient safety is a big part of it. We would not run a trial that we didn't think was safe for our patients. Questions I'm often asked are about costs. Is this going to cost me more because I'm involved in a clinical trial? Am I going to have to pay for this? Is my insurance going to cover it? The answer is every clinical trial is designed so that it shouldn't cost the patient any more than their standard therapy.
Not only can clinical trials give patients access to cutting-edge medications now, but participation can also help other patients in the future.
Whether they're involved in a clinical trial or not, every patient reaps the benefits of patients before them that have participated in clinical trials. Whether it's breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, the way we treat those cancers is because of clinical trials that were done in years past. And so everybody reaps the benefits of these trials.
You can talk to your doctor about the opportunity to participate in a research study. For Medical Insight, I'm Kim Kaiser.
To learn more about this topic, call our experts at 786-3107 or log on to essentiahealth.org.